There you go, guys, just a few little other features we've actually added in our TyreAware app here. If you go into TPMS setup, you can actually see you have this stationary sensor actually handling. Now what you can do here is you can mark some of the sensors as strict. So that means it's going to be the very strict on bringing the data in, and will only bring in correct data, and will give you a blank thing if you're not getting data coming in. This is what you'll probably have on your tires, and then you'll probably have a off on your spares, etc. Because if you have this on, it will probably give you actually issues. It's just being more strict about the data it's bringing in. So that is what we've added there. We've also, there's a Caravan-only mode, which will just bring in the caravan data. That's, for example, if you didn't want to actually have the car data coming in. Most of the new settings we've added, and we've just done some pretty cool settings that it actually works with CarPlay now. So that is fairly handy.